Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today on Solvetic, we will see how to find Steam Trade URL. Open your Steam app. There, click on your profile name and then choose the option Activity. Here, click on the line Trade Offers. Then click on the question Who can send me trade offers? Now at the bottom you can find the Steam Trade URL. You can select it and copy it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.